Struggling to land job interviews? Your resume might be working against you. With ResumeMaker Professional Deluxe, you get a step-by-step resume builder that turns your answers into a polished professional resume. Choose from over 1,250 professionally written samples, or use pre-written phrases for more than 14,000 job types. No more staring at a blank page. Pick from 60 modern styles, adjust fonts, colors, headers, and make it all yours. Then publish and share a live web version of your resume, or save it as PDF, Word, or URL and send it to recruiters directly. Search for jobs right inside the app, find new listings fast, get push notifications for matching roles, and apply on the go. Practice interview questions, get salary data insights, be ready before you walk into the room. It's easy for beginners, powerful for pros. Import your old resume, update it instantly or start fresh. Don't let a weak resume hold you back. Download ResumeMaker Professional Deluxe 20 today and land the job you deserve.